Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ahrefs for keyword research and content planning, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Ahrefs for keyword research and content planning, start by logging into your Ahrefs account. Once logged in, navigate to the Keyword Explorer tool. Enter a seed keyword related to your niche in the search bar. Select the appropriate search engine for better targeting. Click the search button to generate keyword data. After the results load, review the overview section for search volume and keyword difficulty. Scroll down to the Keyword Ideas tab to discover additional related keywords. Analyze the related keywords section to find more variations. Utilize the Questions tab to identify common queries around your seed keyword. Next, move to the Parent Topic feature to understand the broader context of your keyword. For content planning, switch to the SERP overview to see the current top-ranking pages. Take note of what content types are ranking well, such as lists or how-to guides. Use the Content Gap tool to identify keywords that competitors rank for but you do not. Collect keywords that have high traffic potential and low keyword difficulty. Export your selected keywords to a spreadsheet for easy reference. Organize keywords into clusters based on intent, such as informational or transactional. Once organized, determine content formats for each keyword cluster. Consider creating blog posts, videos, or infographics based on keyword intent and plan a publishing schedule based on your content roadmap. Review and adjust your keyword strategy periodically based on performance. With these steps, you can effectively configure Ahrefs for comprehensive keyword research and strategic content planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.